Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can invest in S&P 500 using Webull. So, the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you've already logged into your Webull account. And once you've logged in, you will basically just look for S&P 500 ETFs under the market section. So, you should see it right here if you've already logged into your account. And after that, what you will have to do is basically tap the ETF and click trade and then buy, and then you will just have to enter the number of shares or dollar amount that you want to invest in, and then you will just have to confirm your purchase and complete the trade. And by the way, you should also consider using fractional shares if you don't want to buy full shares. And yeah, that's basically just it. And you've successfully invested in the S&P 5 using Webull. So please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.